Welcome to Unit 3, Introduction to CSS. So we've had 2 units on HTML, and now we're going to have 2 units that are purely about CSS. We do have to use some HTML in order to use CSS, but we're really focusing on CSS for now. So we have 5 main objectives in this unit. The first one is I want you to understand how to write valid CSS files, following what I like to call a general rule of CSS. The next objective is I want to show you how we incorporate CSS into our HTML file. So how we include an external CSS file and link it properly inside of an HTML document. I'll show you a couple of ways of doing that. And then once you connect your CSS files to our HTML files, we're going to start writing some more CSS. The next objective is I want you to be able to select elements, writing CSS to select HTML elements based off tags, names, classes, and IDs. And then along with that, I want you to be able to style those elements that you've selected with some basic important CSS properties like color, background color, and border. And you'll see quite a few more ways to style things in the next unit. In this one, we're focusing more on the key basic things that you can do to style an element. Then we have another objective, which is for you to be able to use the Chrome developer tools, and in particular the CSS inspector to debug your CSS and HTML code. Then at the very end of this unit, we'll have another exercise, and this is going to be a little bit different than most of our exercises. I'm going to give you some set of instructions, things I want you to try and do with CSS, like make all image tags purple, or have a red border, or make all H1 20 pixels, or something like that. But in the next unit, Unit 4, we have a couple of nice looking things for you to complete, some really cool projects that I'm really excited about, so you can look forward to that. So that said, we can get started on Introduction to CSS.